Still have to say, play with fire, you're gonna get burned.
What do you mean?
You don't be giving Mercedes Wallis's new wife a foot massage.
You don't think you're reacting?
Antoine probably didn't expect a reaction he got from Mercedes, but he had to expect a reaction.
It was a foot massage. A foot massage is nothing. I gave my mother a foot massage.
It's putting your hands on Mercedes Wallis's new wife in a familiar way. Is this as bad as eating her out? No. But it's the same fucking ballpark.
Whoa, stop right there. Eating a bitch out and giving a bitch a foot massage ain't even the same fucking thing.
Not the same thing. The same ballpark.
Ain't no ballpark neither. Now look, maybe your method of massage differs from mine, but touching his lady's feet and sticking your tongue in her holiest of holies ain't no fucking ballpark. Ain't no leg. Ain't even the same fucking sport. Look, foot massages don't mean shit.
Have you ever given a foot massage?
Don't be telling me about foot massages.